This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus. Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
It is that time of the week and the month जबकि महीना actually खत्म हो रहा है and we are marking it with Filmy Friday. Yes, the show is back on Go MMT Radio and I am your host Annie. इतने सारे films release हो रहे हैं theaters में भी और OTT platforms पर भी, तो मैं आपको लेकर चल रही हूँ इसी दौर पे जहाँ पे बहुत सारी बातें होंगी इन फिल्मों के बारे में और आप फिर पूरे वीकेंड बिजी रह सकते हैं, नॉट ओनली ट्रैवलिंग बट वॉचिंग योर फेवरेट मूवीज एंड योर फेवरेट वेब सीरीज. वेल, ऑल ऑफ दैट ओनली ऑन फिल्मी फ्राइडे. So go trippers, why don't you stay tuned?
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi, my name is Neha. I'm from supply team. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
I'm Manika. I'm from Demand Management Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hi, this is Shashwat, Senior Manager from Marketing. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Headset Go.
Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं फिल्मी फ्राइडे पर विद योर होस्ट एनी, यानी कि मैं थिएटर रिलीजेस के साथ. कराटे किड लेजेंड्स, जी हाँ, सारे जितने भी कराटे किड्स हमने देखे हैं, जो पूरा फ्रेंचाइज है, कहीं ना कहीं इस फिल्म में आपको दिखाई देगा. इट्स सच अ ह्यूज सक्सेस. इट्स कराटे किड लेजेंड्स, जहाँ पर जैकी चैन भी दिखाई देंगे विद रैल्फ मकियो एंड बेन वैंग. इट्स अ एक्शन पैक्ड फिल्म फॉलोइंग कुंग फू प्रोडिजी हु मूव्स टू न्यूयॉर्क एंड देन कुछ इश्यूज हो जाते हैं, स्ट्रीट फाइट्स शुरू हो जाती हैं एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स इट एंड्स विद अ हाई स्टेक्स कराटे टूर्नामेंट to prove his skill. हिंदी में तोमची करके एक मूवी रिलीज हो रही है, बच्चों की मूवी है, डायरेक्टेड बाय राजेश गुप्ता. इट स्टार्स यशपाल शर्मा, रति अग्निहोत्री एंड ब्रजेश हिरजी इन लीड रोल्स. इसके बाद सिस्टर मिडनाइट, द मूवी आई थिंक मेंशन्ड लास्ट वीक. इट्स अ कॉमेडी ड्रामा डायरेक्टेड बाय करण कंधारी एंड व्हेन आई सॉ द ट्रेलर ऑफ द मूवी आई वाज कंप्लीटली कन्विंस्ड दैट दिस इज अ फिल्म यू मस्ट गो एंड वॉच बिकॉज राधिका आप्टे इज डूइंग अ फिनोमिनल जॉब. शी इज एक्चुअली ट्रैप्ड इन एन अनहैप्पी अरेंज्ड मैरिज और क्या क्या होता है, बड़ा वियर्ड सा है. यू मस्ट चेक इट आउट. निकिता रॉय इन दिस मूवी, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा comes back in the lead role and it's a horror mystery, by the way. It marks Kush Sinha's directorial debut along with Arjun Rampal, Paresh Rawal, Kaliroy Ziafeta, Matt McClure. It's an interesting ensemble cast. अब चलते हैं दिल्ली डार्क की ओर, जो कि डायरेक्टेड बाय दिबाकर दास रॉय है. इनफैक्ट ही इज ऑल्सो रिटन दिस फिल्म. इट इज वेयर एन अफ्रीकन कम्स टू इंडिया, टू दिल्ली टू बी स्पेसिफिक, and he wants to become an Indian, or rather he wants to find work here. He just wants to kind of, make a living here. Oh, you must watch the trailer. It's quite nice. Chidiya explores the fragility of childhood ambition. Again, children. That's what this movie is based on. The weight of reality, unexpected spark that can shift things through the lens of longing, love, and the quiet rebellion of hope. Yet another interesting trailer, which means सारे के सारे फिल्में जो रिलीज हो रही है थिएटर्स में काफ़ी अच्छे कंटेंट के साथ आ रहे हैं and that is why maybe you should make your plans for a binge watching weekend in the theaters.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे सेंसेशंस?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, डगमगाहट, फरफराहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, भरभराहट, दबदबाहट, छटपटाहट, फड़फड़ाहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
And now moving on to OTT releases. This is Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio. Go Trippers, I hope you're listening in and having a lot of fun because this is going to help you plan what you're going to do over the weekend, really. Let's start with this release, which is on Geo Hotstar, a biographical musical which is going to put Timothée Chalamet in the Oscar race once again. He's playing 19-year-old legend Bob Dylan, who arrives in America in 1960s with a guitar and changes the course of American music. Loosely based on Elijah Wald's 2015 book Dylan Goes Electric, it's a James Manigold directorial. Bono, yet another legend, lead vocalist of U2. This is a documentary on Apple TV Plus called Bono Stories of Sadhana. In fact, his one-man show, Stories of Surrender, is what it was called, and it's based on that. So never seen before footages exploring his personal life, including his family and friends. That's what this is about. And now moving on to Netflix, it's a true crime story that's called A Widow's Game. It's a Spanish thriller revolving around Maria Jesus Moreno Canto, who teams up with her lover to orchestrate her husband's murder. Now that's quite some content, huh? Netflix again, Lost in Starlight, Korean animated series following Nan Young, an aspiring astronaut dreaming of Mars whose world turns upside down when she crosses path with Jay, a soulful musician. Interesting plot.
Attention trippers.
जादू मेरी नजर से याद आया, उसमें नजर भी कवर्ड है. नजर बोले तो विजन हेल्थ केयर ऑन अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप. जाके डाउनलोड करना यार, जल्दी जा.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
First, this is Neetu Gusai.
This is Amit Yadav from IT support team.
And you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hello Trippers, this is Priyanshi Gupta.
And this is Ankita Singh from HR team.
And you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Headset Go.
Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
Some more releases on OTT platforms. ZEE5 will showcase Andhar Maya, which is a Marathi horror drama which follows the Khatu family whose yearly visit to their ancestral home takes a sinister turn and they witness a series of supernatural occurrences. How are they going to be able to make it out of this nightmare? Will they even survive? Nice plot again. Kan Khajura is an adaptation of Israeli drama Magpie. This is on Sony Live, by the way. It's an intense crime thriller which follows Ashu, who tries to reconnect with his estranged brother Max after getting released early from prison. And as the story progresses, there is the troubled past of Ashu that resurfaces, threatening Max's life, directed by Chandan Arora. It features Roshan Mathew, Mohit Raina, Sarah Jane Dias and Mahesh Shetty, among others. Interesting plots, good content, going by the plots, of course, of the series, as well as the films that are releasing, so many of them in the theaters and even on the OTT platforms. There's just so much for you to look out for, right? I'm going to come back on the other side with Social Spotlight now. You need to know what's happening on the social handles of Make My Trip and Go Ibibo.
Be curious to know how things work. Be creative by constantly looking for newer, better ways of achieving results. Be genuine in your care, be it for your colleagues, customers, or business. Hi, I'm Deep, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Social Spotlight on Go MMT Radio.
Make My Trip has been celebrating, like the world has been celebrating, World Turtle Day. In fact, even Go Ibibo. What they are trying to do is raising concern and our awareness about how sustainable travel is extremely important. Like they've said in this message, every journey we take leaves a mark. So it is our responsibility to make sure that it's a positive one, because oceans are the homes of our turtles. And so we have to ensure it remains clean. And that means it's not just about throwing things into the water, it's about keeping everything around us and especially closer to the sea absolutely clean. We have litter bins, that's where we litter, nowhere else, and that starts from home, really. Well, that is a conversation I'll save for another day, but the World Turtle Day special that you must check out. Also, Sri Lanka, if you want to make it to Sri Lanka, then boy oh boy, you might want to check out how it is so beautiful to just walk into different streets, on Sri Lanka, especially the Gulf Fort, where it feels like stepping into a movie, capturing the charm of this coastal gem. Yet again, place with a lot of beaches, a lot of history and culture you might want to check out, and you might want to plan with MMT. And now moving on to Go Ibibo. Once again, World Turtle Day celebrations. As they say, every year sea turtles cross oceans just to come back to their favorite beach spot. And if you want to know what that is, you might want to check out Go Ibibo. Also, the full Vasool trip is Dubai this time. Do you want to make that your destination? Maybe you should check out Go Ibibo again. Well, with that, I've come to the close of Social Spotlight. That's where I take you through the campaigns that's happening on the social handles of Make My Trip UAE, Go Ibibo, all of it that you need to know and you need to be on the top of.
We have launched the OPD services exclusively for We Care Fund members. Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Conversations that matter. Inner balance.
Hi, I'm your host Annie, and today I want to talk to you about something extremely important. It is about inner peace. हमारी जिंदगी में जैसे मिशन हम सबका ही है इनर पीस पाने का। हम सब जानते हैं कि जिंदगी में हम कितने बिजी हैं, परिवार और काम और दोस्तों के बीच बैलेंस बनाना आसान बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। लेकिन क्या आपको याद है आखिरी बार आपने खुद के लिए कब टाइम निकाला था? MMT has a solution for you. Inner Balance Initiative. You now have the chance to meet with a professional clinical psychologist in a private one-on-one session. यह एक बेहतरीन मौका है खुद से जुड़ने का, अपने वेलबीइंग को इम्पोर्टेंस देने का और स्ट्रेस, इमोशंस, इन सबको किस तरह से संभाले इसके बारे में एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस पाने का। Don't miss out on this opportunity. Book your appointment by writing an email to Pratibha Mishra at pratibha.mishra@medanta.org. That is pratibha.mishra MISHRA at Medanta M for Mumbai EDANTA.org. You can also visit the We Care Room in Tower C, Gurgaon office between 3 to 5 p.m. every Wednesdays and Thursdays to start your journey for better well-being. आपकी इनर डायलॉग जो है ना, जो आप अपने आप से बात कर सकते हैं, अपने सबकॉन्शियस को समझाते हैं, आपकी दुनिया को शेप करती है। तो चलिए इसे पॉजिटिव बनाते हैं। Stay tuned for more updates and take care of yourselves. This is your host Annie signing off. Remember, prioritize your inner peace.
Conversations that matter. Inner balance.
Hi Trippers, this is Sunil Grover and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Chaka the bate.
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go Ibibo, and Redbus.